Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on WhatsApp. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the WhatsApp and then you can see three dot on the top right corner and then click on setting. So after click on setting you can see chats, so just click on it and then click on wallpaper. And then you can see change option, so click on it and here you can select any wallpaper. So after selecting click on it and then click on set wallpaper. So you can see wallpaper is changed. So if you want to select wallpaper from your photos, so here you can see my photos, so just click on it. So here you can select any wallpaper from your galleries. So after selecting, click on set wallpaper. So guys, in this way you can see wallpaper is changed. So guys, in this way you can change wallpaper on WhatsApp. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.